We actually have a little Yellowjacket gauge on the side. It's kind of satisfying to watch it fill up with those nasty Yellowjackets. Hi, I'm Stephanie. I'm the marketing director at Rescue, and we're here to show you the Disposable Yellowjacket Trap. What you'll need is a pair of scissors and also some water. There's a dotted line around the top. That's where you'll cut. If you are allergic, make sure you have someone else hang up the trap for you, because you may see them start to come around right away after I get this set up. We know Yellowjackets very well. We have our reusable trap, but sometimes if you're going camping or for a picnic, the disposable is a nice option. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting around the top. There's a dotted line, and that creates the opening by which you add the water, and also the Yellowjackets go in. And so we're just going to take our water, and it goes right in through the top. Now the attractant's all contained in the trap, and it dissolves when you add the water. Pretty quickly it's going to start attracting Yellowjackets. There's a notch in the top through which you can put a twist tie or a string or a wire. And then you want to hang this trap preferably in a natural setting. Hang it away from where you want to eat outside or barbecue, because it'll draw the Yellowjackets away. I'm Stephanie. This is the Disposable Yellowjacket Trap. I hope you enjoy it and use it to create a Yellowjacket-free backyard or camping or patio space.
Perfect.
And we've got one.
So let's get this.
We've got one.
Already got one in there?
Yeah, well, it's
Oh,
it's trying to get in, yeah. Oh man. I've been with Rescue over 20 years. We've introduced a lot of products since I've been involved. This is one that we've had for many, many years. But I am involved in everything from how the product looks, all the packaging. That's been a really fun aspect of my job, to give the products a name and a life and a look.